In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix PC monitor turns off after a few minutes randomly. So let's get started. The first thing that we can do is to check for the cable connections. Make sure everything is connected properly. The second thing is we need to go to the Windows search bar and simply type choose a power plan. Click on that under the best match. Then with the selected plan that you have, click on Change Plan Settings. Then you'll find this option Turn off the display. Click on the drop down and you can choose Never. Click on the drop down and choose Never. That is for both on battery and plugged in, and click on Save Changes. Then close this window. The second thing that we can do is to update or download and install the latest graphics card. So open any browser and then type intel.com. Hit enter. Then you have to simply go to the Intel search bar and type graphics card drivers. Hit enter. And simply click the download button for the latest driver to download and install the latest drivers into your Windows. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.